IPDR logging is crucial for meeting regulatory compliance. With Jaze ISP Manager, you can efficiently save IPFix and NetFlow v9 records from CGNAT routers and retrieve the required logs. The IPDR log comprises of two components, the NAT log and the session log. The NAT log comprises the source IP and port, translated IP and port, along with the destination IP and port details. The session log comprises the subscriber's session details, including start and stop timestamps, along with username, IP address, and MAC address information from Radius packets. The logs are saved for a period of 2 years by default and can be queried on demand. Let us take an example of an inquiry from the regulatory authorities, which would look like this. The request comprises a timestamp range, along with the destination IP. Additionally, in some cases, the request can also contain the translated IP. The request requires the ISP to share NAT logs along with the subscriber's information. In this video, we will demonstrate how to search for the required NAT log and session log to retrieve the subscriber information. In order to retrieve the NAT logs, first log into the dashboard. Go to Routers and Logs and select NAT logs under the Logs section. Click on the Search NAT log tab and select the router. In case the translated IP is available, you can select the router to which the translated IP is routed, especially if you have multiple routers added. Select the From and To timestamps and enter the destination IP address from the request. If the request includes the translated IP address, enter it in the PostNat source IPv4 address field, and then click on Search. This will retrieve the NAT logs matching your query. You can then click Download to export the logs as a CSV file. You can also go to the NAT logs tab and download the file with a file name containing the appropriate timestamp from your query. To extract subscriber details, navigate to Search Users under the Users and Packages menu in the Users section. You can choose the Get Username from NAT logs option, select the required router, and specify the timestamps based on the request. Next, enter the PostNat destination IPv4 address to input the destination IP as per the request. If the translated IP is available, you can use it to refine your search. Click on Search button. This process provides the subscriber's username that matches the timestamp, destination IP, or translated IP by automatically querying the NAT and session logs. Click on the username to view the subscriber's details. From there, go to the Overview section and access completed sessions data. You can filter the sessions by stop time, and click on Export to download the required session data.